In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fried rice. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. And if you're new here, my name is Pamela and I like to share deliciously easy plant-based recipes. So if you like videos like that, be sure to click that little red subscribe button down below along with the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this week's recipe. All right, so today's recipe is fried rice. And fried rice is one of those super fast, super convenient, all-in-one meal. So you've got your grain, you've got your vegetables, and you've got your protein. And also, if you are following a lower carb type of diet, or if you're following bright line eating and so you're avoiding grains, you can also just swap out the rice for some cauliflower rice. So it's super versatile. It's all in one. It's a one-pot meal. So it's really great. And it's kind of like one of those last-minute meals you can make. Everything I've got in my freezer actually. So the vegetables are frozen, the edamame is frozen, and the rice is actually, you can use day-old rice. That actually makes the best fried rice, or you can use rice out of your pantry and just cook it up really quick. So it's a super quick, super versatile meal that you can kind of make last minute. So it's a really great, versatile meal. Let's go ahead and jump right in. I've got my stainless steel pan here on medium heat, and I'm just going to water saute some onion and garlic. And I'm going to saute these until they're pretty caramelized to the bottom of the pan here. And I'm just going to keep adding a little bit of water to deglaze the pan if they start to get stuck on the bottom there. And I'm just going to keep sauteing them down until they're nice and soft. Then I'm going to add in some frozen mixed vegetables and some edamame. And the vegetables are just beans, corn, and carrot. You can kind of add whatever vegetables you want. And I'm just going to saute these until they are cooked through. Again, adding some water as needed to deglaze the pan and keep them from sticking to the bottom. And then I'm going to add my rice. And I'm going to go ahead and cook this until the rice is heated all the way through. And the soy sauce is added to taste. So I like to add just a little bit and then kind of taste it and see if it's to my liking, and then add more as needed, because you can always add more later, but you can't take away. So don't add too much too soon. And then that's it. Go ahead and just serve it up straight from the pot into your bowl. And there you go. You have got simple, easy, quick fried rice straight from your freezer and pantry. All right. I hope you liked that recipe. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't clicked that subscribe button and the notification bell yet, go ahead and do that now so you don't miss any of my future videos. And I will see you next time.